This is the WaterDrop 5-cup water filter pitcher. So this comes with one filter ready to go, so you can use it right away. It's NSF certified, so great for filtering out chlorine, taste and odor, iron, metal ions, calcium, copper, magnesium, and mercury. So you're going to have nice, pure water to drink right away. It filters it out super quick. I'd say it probably fills within about 1 minute, which is a much faster flow rate than past water filters that I've used previously. So this is in the pink color. You can see it's a nice baby pink, really cute, but you can still see the water in it. It was super easy to set up. So you're just going to have to take the lining and plastic off everything. It's very clear in how to set it up. It does have a smart life indicator on there as well. So we will hit that after this is filled and all the water has flown through. You will want to dump the first maybe 2 times you fill it, just to make sure that everything is nice and clean and ready to use. So the water filter indicator light will change when it's ready to go. When it's good, it'll be a blue color. It'll flash a couple times. When it's ready to be replaced, it'll give you kind of a lighter red color and then a dark red for replace now. So it will automatically light up during pouring as well, which makes it super easy to follow. Definitely check it out.